Do you think you take really nice pictures? And do you want to make money from those nice pictures? Look no further. In this video today, we're going to explore different photo apps that you can make some side money from. It's truly inspiring how a single image can convey so much beauty, emotion, and money. Are you ready? Hit it! Welcome to Inside Your Hustle. You could turn your side hustles into your main hustle. My name is Cece, and welcome to Inside Your Hustle, where we talk about potential ways to make you some side shmoney and save you some money as well. Some of these side hustles you can actually turn into your main hustle. The first app I'll be discussing is the Foap app. Foap is a user-friendly app that lets you sell your photos to businesses, brands, and content creators seeking authentic visuals. With Foap, you're not just selling your pictures, you're selling stories, emotions, and moments frozen in time. Here's how it works. After signing up, you can upload your high-quality photos, add relevant tags, and make them available for purchase. Single photo sales are when Foap allows you to sell your photos as single images. Each photo you upload to Foap's marketplace is priced at $10, of which you earn $5. Foap keeps the other $5 as commission. Also, Foap hosts missions sponsored by brands, offering you the chance to earn even more when your photos match the mission's theme and criteria for photos they're looking for. Participating in missions can be more lucrative than single photo sales, as the rewards for winning missions can range from $100 to $500 or even more. Depending on the brand's offering, Foap is a creative and engaging way to earn money doing what you love. The second app is 500px, which is a platform that caters to serious photographers looking to showcase and sell their work. 500px isn't just about selling photos, it's about building a reputation as a skilled photographer in a community of like-minded artists. On 500px, you can create a portfolio that reflects your unique style and skills. Not only can you sell your photos as prints or licenses, but you can also engage with other photographers, learn from their feedback, and improve your craft. You can make money through 500px with a free or paid account. Now, if you want to take photos and sell them without paying a monthly fee, you can do so. You can also make up to 60% royalties when you license your photos solely with 500px. If you don't mind paying monthly, it costs $13 a month. But you can keep up to 100% of the royalties from your photos. Regardless of whether you choose to pay or not, 500px is an excellent platform for those who want to take their photography journey to the next level. Last but certainly not least, the third app is Dreamstime, a stock photography app that connects photographers with businesses in need of captivating visuals. Dreamstime is a trusted platform used by professionals worldwide, making it an ideal place to showcase your talent. The process is straightforward. Upload your best shots, adhere to their quality standards, and when someone purchases the rights to your photo, you earn a commission. With a wide range of topics and themes in demand, you have the freedom to express your creativity and earn from your passion. In terms of payment, they have different royalty rates based on the quality of your images, the demand for your content, and the number of sales you make. On average, per image can make 35 cents to $12 $8.24 for a royalty-free download. You can earn up to $40.80 for extended licenses. There you have it. All the apps I spoke to you about can be downloaded on Apple iOS devices and Google Android devices as well. I'll provide the links down below for them. These 3 incredible apps can help you transform your photography hobby into a profitable venture. Whether you're selling on Foap, building your reputation on 500px, or contributing to Dreamstime vast library, these platforms offer unique opportunities to monetize your creativity. Remember, success may take time, but with dedication, stunning visuals, and a touch of creativity, you'll be well on your way to making money from your photos. And if you enjoyed this info, don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe, share, hit the notification bell so that you can learn more about other side hustles. And remember, you are amazing.